guys? It's your girl Matt Cox, and today is pattern release day. Yes, it's pattern drop. You know that we are doing all things pop culture, and this brand is amazing. Both of these things that I'm going to show you are absolutely amazing. I'm going to go in depth about this program that we're currently looking at right now, which is called Quilt. We'll talk about that in another video. Today is all about the Geeky Bobbin. So I'm going to scroll over until I find the designer that I want to talk about. And here we are with the Geeky Bobbin. And yes, today is I Love You Drop Day. What? So cute. I'm absolutely loving this pattern. And I'm going to show you how to use this program and this pattern. And just going to play with it. We're going to do a little playing today. So the way that I found out about the Geeky Bobbin was I was addicted to this pattern right here, which is the orbital pattern. And if you haven't watched the video on that, you should. I did something really cool with this pattern and the Disneyland, the teacups, and this is how I did it. This is how I colored it, and this is why I think that project was such a success. She was the first person to introduce me to Prequilt, which is the program that we're in right now, and I've just been in love with this program and her patterns ever since. Here are more of her patterns. We've got riveting here. We've got some intersectional there, orbital, which is like one that I really think that she's super known for, and then a few others, the crystal, the glitch, and here we are with the I love you. So we have it in the baby opaque. We have it in the baby plaid. So here you can see the lines going through it. We have the crib opaque, the crib plaid. We have the throw opaque, the throw plaid, the twin opaque, the plaid, the queen. And these are the options for the layouts. So you can do just a baby one, which is just a single block, or you can do the crib with the two, or you can do four, where they are laid out kind of like this Irish chain style, or we can do the where they're like linear here. And then we've got the four again, and then the four again in the opaque. So I'm just going to pull a couple of these, and we can just start playing to see exactly what they look like when we play with them. So which one should we play with? Should we play with the plaid? Should we play with the opaque? Should we play with the throw size? The size really doesn't matter here. Let's play with the twin opaque. So I'm going to hit color this quilt, and bam, that's what we got. So here is our quilt. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have all of the colors that are in this quilt already here. I tell people if you have a pattern that is not reliant on the colors being what you said they have to be, um, this is the program to use. I think this is such a beautiful program, and playing with these options is a good time. So let's say that I want to do something dark because it's me, right? So I'm going to go over here and I am going to click on this color, and now I have the option to change it. Now currently the default that comes up is Kona, but you can change it to Michael Miller, Northcott, RJR, whatever. I'm going to leave it at Kona because Kona is definitely one of my jams. And you can just roll over and you see that the colors are changing. Um, espresso. I like espresso. It's not actually a black. You know what? Me and a friend of mine were talking about it the other day. It's like a super dark brown. Um, but I'm feeling like going dark. So let's see what happens when I change this into black. That's a little bit on the different side. And I'm just going to lock that in. So now if I were to randomize the colors, or if I were to try, I can't change that. It's locked in is what I'm trying to tell you. So let's go in and play with this color here and see what happens as we change it. Ooh, where was that orange? I scrolled over an orange. Chili is like my favorite Kona color because it lies between red and orange, and you don't know which one it is. I'm a big fan of that. So, do we want to? Let's do a little chili with this black. I don't know why, but now we're doing chili, and these baby pinks definitely aren't working. Isn't this the best way to kind of see where you're going. I prefer to do it this way. Yes, I can do it in a store. Not my favorite thing to do at all. Don't like it one bit. Let's see what happens if I change this to chili. Huh. And then let's change this one. This is a free spirit and giggles. I just love that weird. Ooh, why do I like this? Is this weird? Yeah, it's weird. I could do this all day, and we might sit here and do it all day because you know what? I got time today, guys. I got time. I almost want to do this live, which I might do also. That's a good time. I like this. I can download this image and all the colors that I've used. Bam. And there you've got it. And there we've got the colors, the options. Pretty awesome. If I like these colors and I want to know what they look like in a different order in different places, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna hit shuffle colors and look, now it has shuffled the colors. Now, if I just wanted it to shuffle, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna undo that and I'm gonna lock in that background color so that doesn't move. And now I'm gonna hit shuffle colors again and now the background stay the same so that way it's not doing too much. That's interesting. We've got the chili going all the way through. Um, huh. Let's shuffle it again. So again, we could do this all day. Okay, I don't like that one. Now, I'm going to unlock everything. And if you like this, you need to go on ahead and download what you see here. But now I'm going to hit randomize the colors, and it's going to pull from anything from Kona. So now look. Huh. Ooh, interesting. That one's kind of interesting. Let's say I don't like that brown. Let's lock in these and hit randomize. And let's see what colors it goes through. Huh. I don't know why, but I really feel like this should be mulberry too. Let's go here and we can just go down to find mulberry. That's berry. Where's mulberry? Mulberry, where are you? Tulip. There you are. I don't hate this. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. And it's got that tan in the background, and I don't love that tan, so we're going to unlock that and change that. Let's make it pink. Pearl pink. So this is just the tip of the iceberg of what this does, but I think that all pattern designers should try to incorporate this software into what they're doing because I tell you, this makes picking colors so much easier. And you can, if you can import prints into this if you are signed up with Quilt, which is awesome, 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 awesome. I'm gonna go back and grab another one, and we'll play with another version of the Geeky Bobbins pattern. Let's go back. Which one do we want to play with now? I think we could play with. Can you guys see the difference between the opaque and the plaid? So the plaid ones, they are going to cross right here, and then when it's opaque, it goes right through. I just want you guys to be. I just want you to see it. So let's grab. Did we just play with an opaque one or a plaid one? I have no idea. I think we played with an opaque. Let's play with the plaid. Do we want to do, let's do a little bit of plaid. Not a lot of plaid. Let's do a little bit. So we'll color this quilt. Ooh, it's a cutie patootie. Okay. So now when you are playing with this, you need to be cognizant that this is actually wherever they cross, you want it to have a darker shade. And this is when this tool really is going to come in handy. Like really, really, really going to come in handy. But you've got to know a little bit of your color theory here. So we've got a lighter shade of pink here and then a darker shade of pink. And then where this pink and this purple cross, it gives you a plum. So if you just hit a randomize, this is gonna go bonkers. Like, watch. Yeah. See? Bonkers. Can hit it again. Yeah, just bonkers. So you really, for this one, you would want to kind of have an understanding of some color theory. I'm just gonna go back before we get too far gone. Um, and I don't know that I am the best person to explain what colors are gonna do what when you overlap. Can I do it? Yeah. But can I explain it? Probably not the best, especially on the whim like this. But we can certainly just kind of stay the course. So we see that we have a light pink here, right? What happens if we go grab a mint green that's kind of in the same saturation and whatnot? And then we get in here and we just grab a darker for this Kona baby pink, and we just grab a darker one. It's a little darker than I thought. Let's go here. Okay, you got me? You see what we're doing here? We're just kind of staying in that same vein. So I went ahead and grabbed Aloha and Pool, and actually this is super cute as it is. What can we do in here? You want to make this a little boy? Let's make it a little boy's one. Let's put, what's gonna go with this? Ooh, papaya. Okay, so we can do a daffodil. Oh, we could do red. Why would I put red in there? Papaya. Oh, we could do papaya. Pomegranate. Are we already doing pomegranate? I said I want to make it a blue one. Okay, let's get in here. Let's do some turquoise maybe. And then we're gonna grab this dark purple. Mm-mm. Nope, this is going. Okay, so now we grab the spa blue. Now we got to get rid of this. Now, what color do we think this would mix with this? So it's really just going to give us a medium shade between this color and this color, which shouldn't be too difficult to find. Nope, that ain't it. That's not it. Interesting effect though. Hmm, this one could work. This one could work too. I kind of like the effect that that one's giving. I like the effect that water is giving. No, it's got to be darker. You want a mid-tone between the two. Got some options here. And there we go. Um, this one can get to be a little bit more complicated, but isn't it better to have this as an option of how you would want to put something like this together? I think this is a win, guys. I would love, love, love that Bobby is a person to first introduce me to this program. I love that she has these. I love that we get to play with these. I will probably play with this again some more just to showcase more of what Prequilt can do. If you guys haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you love this pattern, I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this month for this pattern. So please stay tuned. I'll probably come back and tell you guys more about it, but the giveaway will be hosted on my Instagram. And so I hope to see you all there. I hope to see you guys loving on Bobby. If you want to show some love and support me and Bobby at the same time, I'm going to put an affiliate code in the description bar so that you can purchase this pattern. Um, And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.